In this video, I will show you how to get rid of fruit flies by making a DIY fruit fly trap. As you can see from these results, this fruit flies trap really works to trap fruit flies and to control fruit flies. This fruit fly trap is the best way to get rid of fruit flies, and it's actually a homemade or do-it-yourself version of the Taro fruit fly trap, which is supposedly the #1 selling fruit fly trap in the world. I will put a link to this Taro fruit fly trap in the video description below, but this video will show you how to make a simple version of this trap to kill fruit flies using items you have lying around the house. The fruit fly trap starts with a small storage container. We're going to add some holes to the top of the container. We want these holes to be rather large, as they need to be big enough for the fruit flies to get in easily. The bait in this trap is the secret sauce, because once they go in, they won't be coming out. More on that secret sauce in just a bit. There are several ways to put holes into our container lid. Heating a screwdriver with a lighter or candle works. Just push it through to melt a hole into the lid. Also, you could use a drill or a soldering iron works very well. Use very light pressure if using a drill to avoid cracking the lid, but a soldering iron makes this super easy and produce probably the cleanest holes very quickly. You can add as many holes to the lid as you want, but now that we have the holes in our lid, we're going to add our bait to the fruit fly trap. The bait for our trap will be apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar works really well to attract and trap fruit flies. After adding the apple cider vinegar to the fruit fly trap, we're going to add our secret ingredient, which is just a drop of Dawn or any dishwashing liquid. The dish soap acts as a surfactant, which reduces the surface tension on the top of our bait solution. So when a fruit fly lands on the top of the apple cider vinegar, it won't be able to stand on the surface like it normally would. Rather, it will sink instead of simply standing on the surface and later flying away. So with our liquid bait solution added, you just put the lid on our container of fruit fly killer and put it close to the source of your fruit fly infestation and start trapping fruit flies. Of course, to completely eliminate fruit flies, you need to eliminate their food source. For me, I've got a vermicompost worm bin that I bring indoors in the wintertime. Each year this also brings in fruit flies with it. Let me know in the comments below what the source of your fruit flies is. If you don't have everything needed to make this fruit fly trap, it may be easier to just order the Taro fruit fly trap online. I've put a link in the video description below for your convenience to this trap. As a Prime member, I got this pack of 2 fruit fly traps with free 1-day shipping or next day shipping. It was only a couple bucks for 2 of these. The Taro fruit fly trap is a little prettier than our DIY fruit fly trap, so you or your wife might feel a little better about it sitting around on your countertop or wherever it is in your home. It does come with 45 days of the bait solution, but of course the trap is reusable, so you could fill it with our homemade solution. If you appreciate this video, please give it a thumbs up below and consider subscribing to my channel. Also, drop a comment and tell me if you made this fruit fly trap yourself or ended up just purchasing one. Also, be sure to let me know how well it worked for you.